If you're looking to sync Salesflare with QuickBooks, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to set it up step by step, so you can integrate your CRM with your accounting system and streamline your workflow like a pro. Whether you're new to Salesflare or QuickBooks, this process will save you time and keep everything organized in one place. Stick around until the end, because I'll also share how you can try this out for free with exclusive bonuses, something you don't want to miss. First off, let's break down why you'd want to sync Salesflare with QuickBooks in the first place. Salesflare is a powerful CRM tool designed to automate and track your sales pipeline, while QuickBooks is a top-tier accounting software that keeps your finances in check. Integrating both can save you countless hours of manual entry, eliminate mistakes, and ensure that your sales data aligns seamlessly with your financial records. The connection between these two tools can be a game changer for your business. Now, to start the syncing process, you'll need to ensure you have accounts for both Salesflare and QuickBooks. You'll want to head over to Salesflare's integration section. There's a specific integration for QuickBooks, which makes the whole process super easy. It's designed for users who want to pull sales data directly into QuickBooks without any headaches. Once you've logged into both accounts, look for the Connect to QuickBooks button. Click on it, and Salesflare will ask for permission to access your QuickBooks account. You'll need to log in and grant Salesflare the necessary permissions to sync your sales data. Don't worry about security here. Salesflare and QuickBooks use secure protocols to ensure that your data remains safe. Once you've granted permission, your two platforms will be connected. Next, you'll configure the sync settings. This is the part where you can choose exactly what kind of data you want to sync between Salesflare and QuickBooks. You can link your sales deals, customer profiles, and invoicing information to keep both platforms up to date automatically. By choosing the right sync options, you ensure that each time a sale is made in Salesflare, it automatically updates your financial records in QuickBooks. This level of automation can drastically reduce errors and save time on manual bookkeeping. Once the integration is set up, you'll notice that any new customer or deal added in Salesflare will be reflected in QuickBooks. And likewise, your invoicing and payment data from QuickBooks will flow into your Salesflare CRM, allowing you to have a real-time view of your sales progress and financial status. With both platforms working together, you get the best of both worlds: effective sales management and accurate financial tracking. Another key benefit of syncing Salesflare with QuickBooks is that it helps you keep track of your business's financial health. The integration allows you to generate reports that combine both sales and financial data in one place, helping you make informed decisions faster. You can also easily track your outstanding invoices and customer payments, ensuring you're always on top of your business operations. If you've never worked with integrations like this before, don't worry. It's all pretty intuitive once you get started, and if you need any support, both Salesflare and QuickBooks offer helpful resources. They have tutorials, FAQs, and even customer support teams that can assist you if you run into any issues. Before we wrap up, I want to mention that you can try both Salesflare and QuickBooks completely free through the link below. And as an exclusive bonus, you'll get access to extended trial periods, giving you extra time to explore all the features without any cost. So if you're ready to streamline your sales and accounting processes and save time, make sure to check out the link below for your free trial. By syncing Salesflare with QuickBooks, you'll automate your workflow, reduce errors, and keep your business on track. Don't forget to use the